Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Chia coin using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section. And at the wallet section on the top of the screen, you should see these four buttons, the send, receive, buy, and swap buttons. Now, if you want to get Chia coin, you can either buy it or receive it. Now tap on the one that you choose and start typing in Chia, and when it pops up, you just have to tap on it, and Trust Wallet is going to generate your own personal QR code, which you can use to receive coins in your Trust Wallet. You can also scan this QR code for yourself if you want to transfer your cryptos from a different wallet to your Trust Wallet. You can also use the copy icon for the same purpose. It's going to copy your address automatically, and it's going to, you can use that for transfers as well. And the second icon in the middle is a very interesting feature where you can actually type in an exact amount of coins, let's say 467, and by tapping on confirm, Trust Wallet is going to generate a new QR code, and with this new QR code you can receive this exact amount of coins, which is a great way for transactions or payments where you actually need to receive an exact amount. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one. Bye.